Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Facing a PlayStation 5 error can be frustrating, but don't worry, many issues have simple solutions. First, a classic. A full restart of your console often clears up temporary glitches. Just power it down completely, wait a few moments, and then power it back up. It's also wise to check all your cables, HDMI, power, and network, making sure everything is snug. Sometimes, a loose connection is all it takes to cause problems. Many PS5 error codes are actually related to network or server problems. Before digging deeper, quickly check the official PlayStation Network status page. There might be an ongoing outage you're unaware of. If all services are green, try restarting your home router and modem. This simple act often resolves stubborn connection issues by giving your network a fresh start. Sometimes, changing your DNS settings can also make a real difference for online stability. Outdated software is a common culprit for many strange errors. Always make sure your PS5 system software is fully updated. Sony frequently releases patches that fix bugs. It's also a good habit to clear your console's cache periodically, as old temporary files can sometimes conflict with new ones. For deeper system issues, booting into safe mode and choosing to rebuild the database can often sort out corrupted file system data, which improves overall system stability. Sometimes, an error code points to corrupted data on your console. If a specific game or app is causing trouble, try deleting its save data or the application itself, then reinstalling it. Also, ensure your PS5 has plenty of free storage space. A full hard drive can lead to unexpected errors. If the problem seems more widespread, accessing safe mode again allows you to initiate a repair of the console storage, which can often fix underlying data integrity problems. If you've tried all these troubleshooting steps and the error persists, it might be time for more drastic measures. A full factory reset, while inconvenient as it wipes all data, can often resolve deeply rooted software issues. Remember to back up any important save data first. If even a factory reset doesn't work, then it's time to contact PlayStation support. They can provide specific guidance or arrange for a repair, especially if your console is still under warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.